Have you ever watched a plane soar high above and wondered, how does it stay in the air? It seems like magic, but it's all science and clever engineering. Let's discover how airplanes fly. Airplanes fly thanks to four main forces: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Lift pushes the plane up, weight pulls it down, thrust moves it forward, and drag slows it down. All four forces work together to keep a plane flying safely. The wings of an airplane are specially shaped, called an airfoil. Air moves faster over the top of the wing and slower underneath. This difference in air pressure creates lift, which pushes the plane upward. Engines provide thrust, the force that moves the plane forward. As the plane speeds down the runway, air flows over the wings faster, helping lift the plane into the sky. Pilots use flaps, ailerons, rudders, and elevators to control the plane. Flaps help lift or slow down, ailerons tilt the wings, rudders steer left or right, and elevators move the nose up or down. These controls keep the plane stable and on course. Drag is the air pushing against the plane as it moves, and gravity pulls it down. By generating enough lift and thrust, airplanes can overcome these forces and fly smoothly. During takeoff, the plane's engines push it forward fast enough for lift to overcome weight. Landing is the opposite. Pilots reduce thrust and use flaps to slow down and gently touch the runway. Modern airplanes are designed to be fast, efficient, and safe. Engineers carefully shape the wings, body, and engines to make flying as smooth as possible. So, how do airplanes fly? It's a perfect balance of lift, weight, thrust, and drag, combined with clever design and pilot control. Next time you see a plane soaring overhead, remember, it's science at work, helping humans fly high above the clouds. Stay curious, kids. The sky is full of wonders. Thanks for learning with Curiously Kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical lessons. Bye-bye!